At Chubby Chubby, we have 4 different types of pet odor packages. According to Realtor.com, the #1 deal breaker in real estate is foul odors. You can lose up to 25% of the home's listing value just because of odors. So why put up with that when you can call Chubby Chubby Carpet Cleaning? We can roll the restoration and repair fees into escrow. Did you know that? How many other carpet cleaners can do that? So if you're a real estate investor and want to improve the ARV by value adding to your property, why not increase your profits by having us restore the carpet instead of paying for a huge carpet allowance? We did a job for a realtor that couldn't sell the house because of a homeowner that didn't want to pay to get the carpets cleaned. The house sat on the market for a long time and you can already tell what happened. It didn't sell. So the realtors finally convinced the sellers to pay to get their carpets cleaned. We came out and cleaned the carpets and there was a night and day difference. The next footage you're about to see is part of that job. Look at the amazing results.
Only time.
At Chubby Chubby, we have 4 different types of pet odor packages.
If you have a little pet like me, look at her, oh. Yes, they have pet odor packages.
Package A is $35 and it's kind of like a deodorant just to cover up certain type of smells. Package A is great for realtors, move outs, and just different types of stuff like that. Package B is $75 per area. Package B is our odor encapsulant. Package B encapsulates the odor molecule. It's industrial strength and it lasts about 4 years. Our next package is Package C. Package C eats the protein right off the cells. Everything biological breaks down. And as it breaks down, it off-gases odors. If you strip the odor off of the cells, it renders it odorless. Package C is an 80 volume hydrogen peroxide stabilized. After about 6 to 8 hours, it breaks down into 2 components: oxygen and water. But during the time it takes to break down, everyone must stay off the carpet.
The urine will only show up white and foamy if there's urine. And it's not the urine that it's reacting, it's the proteins. So the proteins, right there, look at that. See? Wherever the urine is tells on itself. As you can observe, nothing is lighting up over here and in other areas. But where you get foam, that's where it's eating protein. And the amount of foam determines how much of a deposit is there.
The beauty of Package C is it tells on itself. Now, when we start spraying areas that are not effective, nothing happens. But when we hit the areas where the urine is, boom! Look at that! Are you kidding me right now? Did you see that? The urine is turning all foamy, bubbly. It's eating up the proteins, the cholesterols, the urine salts, the lipids, the amino acids. It's eating it all up. Now, Package D.
Package D is the only package guaranteed, and it's about $900 to $1,200 per 12 by 12 area. And that's Package D, the only package that's guaranteed. In Package D, remove the carpet padding and replace it. Then we clean the face yarns and the bagging. And that's Package D. A dog is a man's best friend, but a carpet's worst enemy. Call us if you have any urine problems. The child. Hi. Call us for a free estimate today.